Hi! In front of me is POCO F5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Security. Now click on Face Unlock under Screen Lock. Enter your current login method and tap on Start. Following that, wait 5 seconds and choose Next in Attention pop-up. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can name your face data however you want to. Then select Done. Over here you can adjust all of those options however you wish to, and even add another face data. Enter your login method, choose Start, click on Next and do exactly the same. Now name it, click on Done, and finally when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you want to disable it, tap on this switcher next to Unlock using face data. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to delete face data completely, click on one of added ones, choose Delete Face Data, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!